Hi guys, it's Dale with the insurance. Today we're talking about an article that it's pretty concise, and it's obviously a very difficult topic or complex topic. But this article does a good job in kind of shrinking or distilling this large topic down to a few key items that it points out in very few words, or a limited amount of words. It's not very few, it's actually kind of long. But the title of the article is How Much Does Private Health Insurance Cost? Right? So all of us are familiar with kind of Obamacare, the Affordable Care Act at this point. But there are a few aspects to it that not everyone really knows about. And as you enter kind of open enrollment, this article will arm you with a few fundamental aspects about healthcare, which will help you choose which product is right for you. So the first is that all of the healthcare products are pretty much standardized, right? So no matter where you live, and this was one thing that, whether you like it or not, one thing that the Affordable Care Act implemented to help make insurance a bit more accessible to everyone. So the plans are completely standardized, whether you live in Alaska, Florida, Nebraska. A certain plan will be the same. What's not standardized is the cost, right? Costs can vary significantly. Right, so the plans kind of are cut up into your metal tiers, right? You've got at the bottom your bronze, then as it goes up, so bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and then you have your catastrophe policies. But these metals correspond to kind of the coverage, right? So if bronze is kind of your, I don't want to say worst, but let's say your most reasonably priced option, right? The price is the cost per month is gonna be relatively low. The out-of-pocket costs are gonna be relatively high, right? Platinum, the out-of-pocket costs or the monthly cost is gonna be high. Coverage is pretty widespread as well. Right? So your out-of-pocket costs are going to be pretty low with the platinum policy. The difference, and this is where you should take note. So the plans, metal tiers, standardized. Bronze plan is kind of the same coverages, whether you live in Alabama or you live in New York, right? Same with all the metal tiers. But the pricing can and is different, right? So the pricing in New York City could be, for a bronze policy, could be way more expensive than the pricing for a bronze policy that may be in Alaska, right? Or New Mexico. And the same with every tier. And the reason why is because, as you could imagine, the insurance companies take in a ton of factors, right? And they've got a lot of data to compute all this. Some of those factors: location, age, tobacco use, right? The type of coverage you choose. So those things they use to justify a higher or lower cost for the same product, right? Just a different location. Some of the things that they cannot take into account are things like kind of gender, your medical history. Another big one is pre-existing conditions, and things of that nature. So there are things that they can take into account. They use those things to justify higher pricing. And then there are things that they have to stay away from. That being said, please note that they can take into account your credit score, right? And embedded in the credit score could be some of those things or attributes, that are supposedly not included, right, in developing a rate. So those are kind of fundamental things that you want to keep in mind as you start that process of looking for health insurance. Once again, this article has a lot of that baked in it. And just to full circle back to the title, currently the cost for individual health insurance for an individual is about $550, $600. For a family, it's probably about $1,100, $1,200. So that's just to kind of address the title of the article. But outside of that, like I said, a lot of good stuff in here. So if you are looking for health insurance, hopefully you come across it. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. We'll chat next week.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. And if you really liked it, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We love hearing from you. We love hearing from our viewers. So be sure to leave a comment below with your thoughts on this video, and we'll see you in the next one.